Put down that mop and step away from the vacuum. There's a smarter way to clean your floors. Hard floor cleaners tackle dust, grime, and sticky messes effortlessly, saving you time and effort. Whether it's juice spills, pet accidents, or stubborn stains, these machines do the dirty work for you. In this video, we're breaking down the 7 best floor cleaners that make cleaning easier and more efficient. Let's find the perfect one for your home. If you're looking for a floor cleaner that does all the hard work for you, the Dyson Wash G1 is seriously impressive. With its dual roller system, this cleaner glides smoothly across floors, picking up both solid debris and sticky messes in one go. Despite weighing 4.9 kilograms, it's surprisingly easy to maneuver. One of the best features? Hassle-free emptying. The Wash G1 separates dirty water and solid debris, so you're not dealing with a messy tank. Plus, it has 3 cleaning modes and a max setting for tougher stains, all while maintaining a steady 35-minute battery life. Unlike traditional vacuums, the Wash G1 doesn't use suction. Instead, its soft fiber rollers mop and refresh floors continuously. When you're done, it self-cleans in its dock. It even gets right up to skirting boards. While it's not cheap, the Wash G1 delivers powerful, hygienic cleaning with minimal effort. Perfect for anyone serious about floor care. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Dragging out the mop and vacuum separately can be a hassle, but the Shark-HydroVac makes cleaning quick and effortless. This lightweight, cordless cleaner vacuums, mops, and self-cleans all at once, saving both time and effort. At just 3.95 kilograms, it's easy to carry from room to room, and the LED display keeps you updated on battery life, surface type, and cleanser levels. It's designed for sealed hard floors, but it also helps refresh rugs and carpets, a bonus if you have pets. The 500-milliliter dirty water tank has a solid separator that traps dust and pet hair, making disposal simple. Plus, the included cleaning solution neutralizes odors, leaving floors smelling fresh. When you're done, just place it on its charging dock to activate self-clean mode, so it's ready for the next use. With a 25-minute battery life, it's a versatile and hassle-free choice for everyday cleaning. Spilled cereal, pet messes, sticky stains. Life gets messy fast. The Narwhal S20 Pro makes cleaning up effortless with 20,000 Pascal suction power, tackling wet and dry messes in a single pass. Whether it's milk on tile or crumbs on hardwood, this vacuum mop gets the job done. One of its best features? Edge-to-edge cleaning, reaching just 0.04 inches from walls, so nothing gets left behind. Plus, the 180-degree flat fold design lets you clean under furniture with ease. Maintenance is just as simple. Dock it, press a button, and it self-cleans, dries at 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and prevents tangles, so it's always fresh for the next use. With AI-powered dirt sensing, 5 cleaning modes, and a quiet, self-propelled motor, it adjusts to every mess effortlessly. If you want powerful, low-maintenance cleaning that works smarter, not harder, the Narwhal S20 Pro is a top contender. Cleaning your floors shouldn't feel like a workout, and with the Roborock F25, it doesn't have to. This powerful 2-in-1 vacuum and mop makes tackling both wet and dry messes effortless, whether it's pet hair, spilled drinks, or everyday dust. One of its best features? Smart dirt detection that automatically adjusts suction and water flow based on how dirty your floors are. No need to switch settings manually. It does the thinking for you. Plus, its anti-tangle design means pet hair won't clog the rollers, so you can clean without interruptions. The self-cleaning system uses high-temperature water to remove grease and grime, and in just 5 minutes, floors are dry and ready to walk on. It also glides effortlessly, thanks to a flexible rotating head and edge-to-edge cleaning that gets right up to baseboards. If you want a powerful yet hassle-free way to clean, the F25 delivers. Vacuuming doesn't have to be a chore, and the Gtech Air RAM 3 proves it. This cordless vacuum is packed with features to make cleaning easier, from self-propulsion that helps it glide effortlessly to a voice alert system that reminds you to recharge or check for blockages. No more second guessing. One of the best things about the AirRam 3 is its self-cleaning filter, so you'll never have to deal with clogged filters again. Plus, the anti-hair wrap brush bar prevents pet hair from tangling. Perfect for pet owners. It runs for up to 30 minutes on a single charge and picks up large debris that other vacuums might struggle with. With dual-edge cleaning technology, it reaches into corners and along baseboards with ease. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust or stubborn dirt, the AirRam 3 delivers powerful, low-maintenance cleaning in a sleek, easy-to-use design. If you're tired of scrubbing away tough messes, the Bissell Crosswave HydroSteam might be exactly what you need. This all-in-one cleaner vacuums, mops, and steams at the same time, making it a powerhouse for tackling sticky spills, pet messes, and everyday dirt. What makes it stand out? HydroSteam technology, which helps break down stubborn grime up to 20% better than traditional methods. It's also pet-proven Ultimate certified, meaning it's designed to handle pet fur, muddy paw prints, and more. Plus, its tangle-free technology minimizes hair wrap, so you won't be constantly unclogging the brush roll. This multi-surface cleaner works on tile, hardwood, laminate, and even area rugs. And when you're done, just activate the self-cleaning cycle to flush out debris and refresh the brush roll. If you want a deep clean with minimal effort, the Crosswave HydroSteam is a great pick. Cleaning stubborn messes can be a hassle, but the Tineco Floor ONE S5 Steam makes it effortless by vacuuming, mopping, and steaming all at once. Whether you're dealing with stuck-on grease, spills, or everyday dirt, its high-temperature steam breaks it all down with ease. No need for harsh scrubbing. What's even better? iLoop. Smart sensor technology automatically adjusts suction, water flow, and brush speed based on how dirty your floors are, so you're always getting the most efficient clean. Plus, its dual-tank system ensures you're only ever using fresh water, unlike traditional mops that just spread dirty water around. Maintenance is just as easy. The self-cleaning mode uses steam to sanitize the brush head, keeping it odor-free and ready for the next use. With larger water tanks, you can clean bigger areas without constantly refilling. If you want powerful, no-fuss floor cleaning, the S5 Steam is a great choice. And that wraps up our list of the 7 best floor cleaners you should consider. Which type of floor cleaner do you prefer? Steam, vacuum, or all-in-one? Let us know in the comments.